Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders. Huh? Achoo!
Thanks. Achoo! Huh. Something is making me sneeze. I wonder, why do people sneeze? Yes! It's time to find the nearest nose and see what happens in there. I'm gonna need rocket boosters, a grabber arm, and spider legs.
Rocket booster, grabber arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Woo-hoo! Into a nose we go. It's like a cave in here. Hello!
Hello!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Who are you?
My name's Petunia, and I'm a piece of pollen. I may be small, but I can make big things happen.
Like a sneeze?
You got it! When I'm around people, I bother them. And I especially like bothering noses. Come on, bounce with me. Oh, don't worry, it's a nose. It's not going to bite. Plus, it's fun.
So, this will make someone sneeze?
This is just the start, since a sniff is coming. Watch out.
That wasn't that bad! It looks like we're in a jungle.
This is all hair. It's here to keep pollen like me, and plus other things like dust particles out of your nose. Well, it won't work. Oh, it's fun to be irritating.
Will this cause a sneeze?
I hope so. Ooh, now a tissue's coming for us. Run! All right, they're really bothering this nose now. Tickle more.
Is a sneeze coming?
It is! Na 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 na!
Oh no! Boogers!
We did it!
Yes! And I have the answer to my question. Why do people sneeze? People sneeze when tiny things like pollen get inside their nose and irritate it. Upload answer, Debo.
Okay! See ya, Blippi!
Bye-bye, Petunia! Last one to splash has to take out the trash. Wait, worms! Whoa, whoa, whoa! I wonder, why do worms come out in the rain? I'm gonna need pontoons and the excavator arm.
Pontoon, excavator arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. La 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 la! Ooh, what's that? La 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 la! Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Oh, hi, I'm Wave the Worm, and I love singing! Everybody join in! I wish I could find another worm I could sing with. Well, I'd ask you, but you're not worms. But hey, enough about me. What can I do for you?
We were wondering why worms come up from underground when it rains.
There are 3 reasons. Follow me. Worm dive!
Whoa! Yeah! It sounds like something's digging down. It's getting closer.
Don't worry, that's just the raindrops hitting the ground above and sending vibrations down. But to us worms, it sounds like a predator trying to dig down and get us. So that's one reason we go topside.
Whoa!
Blood!
Wave? Hello?
La 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 la.
You're right, Debo. That does look like fun.
Whee! Reason number 2. When it rains, we worms can move around on the ground much faster.
That's right, Debo. Wave did say there are 3 reasons why worms come out in the rain. What's the 3rd reason, Wave?
3rd reason? Oh, that's right. Number 3, to find a friend.
I love the rain.
I love the rain too.
We love the rain.
Wave! You found a friend who loves to sing just like you! And now I have the answer to my question. Why do worms come out in the rain? Worms come out in the rain because the raindrop vibrations sound like predators. They can travel more quickly when it's wet and to find a special friend. Upload answer, Debo.
Goodbye, Blippi. Goodbye, Debo.
La 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 la.
Bye-bye, Wave. Thanks for all your help. I love chocolate. Just a little bit now and then. Do you love it too, Debo? Oh, right. Dogs can't have chocolate. It hurts their tummies. I wonder, how are chocolate bars made? Great idea! We can go into that chocolate factory and find out. I'm gonna need wings, hovercraft, and a prop engine.
Wings, hovercraft, prop engine, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go meet some chocolate bars in the chocolate factory.
Hey there! You're not cocoa beans! I need them so we can start making chocolate bars.
I'm not a bean, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Hi, Blippi. Hi, Debo. I'm Barb the chocolate bar. Welcome to my chocolate factory.
Thanks, Barb. I'd love to see how chocolate bars are made. Can we come with you?
Absolutely. It all begins with cocoa beans. These beans come from plants.
So, how do beans become a chocolate bar?
They go on a little journey. First, a bean bath. Next, our beans get roasty and toasty. Then they get made into teeny-weeny beans. Our bean powder then gets mixed with sugar and milk to make them sweet and smooth.
Woohoo! Come on, Debo, time to ski. No? But it'll be fun. It's chocolate bar Debo.
After the chocolate is cooled into bar shapes, we wrap them and they're ready. Ta-da!
Whoa! You both look alike, and I have the answer to my question. How are chocolate bars made? Cocoa beans get washed, heated, crunched, mixed with milk and sugar, and then cooled down into a chocolate bar. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for a sweet tour, Barb.
Anytime. Bye, Blippi.
Bye-bye. Wow, that's a pretty tall mountain. I'm sure there are way taller mountains, Tabs. I I wonder, what's the tallest mountain in the world? Great idea, Tabs. We'll go to the Himalayas and find out. I'm gonna need wings and the grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find the tallest mountain in the world. Woohoo! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're looking for the tallest mountain.
I'm climbing it right now. Hi, I'm Betty the Yeti. I was just headed to the top. That's where the best snow is. Nothing worse than old snow.
Can I tag along? I want to see what it's like on top of the tallest mountain.
Of course, but get ready. This mountain is super tall. Woo! Ice!
We're up so high, and it's much colder up here. Thanks, Tabs. I love hot cocoa. Whoa! Woo! Gotcha. Phew. That was a close one. Hey, it's the mountaintop. Yeah, we made it. Oh, whoa, it's so windy up here.
I got you, Blippi.
So, what is the name of this mountain?
It's Tamalangma! Oh, you call it Mount Everest.
You're right, Tabs. I have the answer to my question. What's the tallest mountain in the world? It's Mount Everest. It's 29,035 feet tall. Upload answer, Tabs.
And the snow up here is delicious. Snow burps.
Have a good snow snack. Bye, Betty the Yeti.
Bye, Blippi.
That's right, Debo. The leaves have almost fallen off the trees. That means winter is coming. Whoa, that is a big bear. It looks like it's ready to hibernate. That's when bears slow down in the winter and rest. Kinda like a bunch of long naps. I wonder, how do bears prepare for hibernation? I'm gonna need the excavator arm.
Excavator arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Whoa! Nice hula hoop moves you got there. I'm Bella the bear.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We're wondering how bears prepare for hibernation.
Is it that time already?
It's almost winter.
Oh no! I've been having so much fun this summer I totally forgot to prepare. I'm gonna have to move fast. Hey, could you help me?
Of course.
Thanks, Blippi. I've got quite the checklist. I'm gonna have to eat a lot of healthy food and fast, so I can bulk up my fat and fur to keep me warm. Fish is one of my favorite foods.
Whoa! Voila!
Oh, right. Eating. Thanks, Blippi. I'll also need to load up on berries.
Bella, don't you need to eat the berries?
Whoopsie-doo. Oh.
Thanks, Debo.
All right. We're making progress. But now for the tough part. We need to dig in the ground to find roots to eat.
I know just the thing to speed up the process.
Nice work, Blippi. Well, excuse me. Delish. Oh, I just need one more thing to keep me warm.
What is it?
I need an extra layer to keep warm in my cave. Pine needles! The bear version of a big, comfy blanket. Oh, thanks! That looks extra cozy. I'm all ready for hibernation. And I couldn't have done it all in one day without your help.
I think we made it just in time. Thanks for answering my question, Bella. Bears prepare for hibernation by eating a lot of healthy food and warming their dens in order to stay comfy in the winter months. Upload answer, Debo. Have a great sleep, Bella.
Bye, Blippi. Oh, take care of my hula hoop till summer, Debo.
What a nice day for a quiet drive. Whoa! Attack of the bubbles! That's right, Debo. Bubbles pop when you touch them. I wonder, how do you make bubbles? Great idea! We'll follow the bubbles to find out. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrink it down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. The bubbles are from the car wash. Let's give it a wash.
Hi! Oh, good boy. I'm Marvin Bubbly.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We're here to learn how to... Wait a second, are you a pop star?
Oh. Sure am.
My mom loves you!
Thank you very much. You're far too kind. So, what are you here to learn? Ba-da-ba-da-dun.
Debo and I are here to learn how bubbles are made.
So glad you asked. The surfaces of bubbles are soft, which makes them pop easily. That reminds me, we need more bubbles. And I know just the fella to show you how. Can you guess? It's me, Marvin Bubbly. Come on.
Whoopsies!
The first step is to get water. Then we need some soap to mix with it. And shoo-ba-dee-dee-boop. Voila! You make bubbles.
And look how they float!
Us bubbles can float like that because we're just air that's trapped inside a thin layer of soapy water.
Whoa! So bubbles are made by blowing air into soap.
That's right! Which reminds me, let's make some more bubbles. And I know just the fella to show you how.
It's you!
It is me! Just dip your hands in the water, get them sudsed up on the soap. Make a circle with your hands and blow.
Whoa! It's bigger than you! Check this out!
Catch me if you can! I've got new heights to reach.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Keep flying high, Marvin! And thanks for helping me get the answer to my question. How are bubbles made? They're made when air gets trapped inside a thin layer of soapy water. Upload answer, Devo. Bye-bye, Marvin.
Bye-bye, Blippi. Bye-bye, everyone.
Rawr, rawr. Debo. It would be fun to have a dinosaur as a pet. I wonder, would a dinosaur make a good pet? Good thinking. We'll go back in time to find out. I'm gonna need the grabber arm and monster truck wheels.
Grabber arm, monster truck wheels, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Going back in time! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. That's right, we're in the Cretaceous period. Millions of years ago when the Earth was filled with dinosaurs! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Hi there, Blippi. I'm Tina, the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Hi, Tina. We were wondering, would a dinosaur make a good pet? An animal that you love and care for.
Wow, being a pet sounds amazing. Maybe I could be your pet for the day.
Can you drop Debo, please? Debo's made of metal, and we don't want you to break a tooth. Good, Dino.
We sure do have sharp teeth. I use mine to eat.
Whoa, do you eat a lot? Feeding is an important part of having a pet.
I can bite off 500 pounds of food in one jump.
That's a lot more than I have here. Let's try a trick. Great idea, Debo. Ugh. Go fetch, Tina. Whoa!
Whoopsies. Sometimes I forget my size. Us T-Rexes can be as tall as 12 feet high and up to 40 feet long.
Wow, that's so big. Hey, let's go for a walk, Tina. Whoa! Look at all of those teeth! Whoa, 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 whoa! 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 Whoa!
Something tells me that's not how a walk is supposed to go.
We gave it a try, but I'm not sure if dinosaurs are meant to be pets.
I think you're right. We're meant to rule the jungle.
Yep, and you helped find the answer to my question. Would a dinosaur make a good pet? Dinosaurs are big, have lots of teeth, need room to roam, and eat a lot. So they might not be good pets, but it's still fun to imagine. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Tina.
Bye. Come back in time. Anytime.
You're right, Debo. This is a kangaroo crossing, and we're in Australia. So, I guess you never know when a kangaroo might... Whoa! Bounce in! Wow! What a spectacular jump! I wonder, how high can a kangaroo jump? Great idea! We'll go ask that kangaroo. I'm gonna need frog legs for this adventure.
Frog legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. We're in the outback, so let's go find a kangaroo.
Hi there, I'm Rooney. What brings you to these parts in your cool-looking car?
Hi, Rooney. It's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We wanted to see how high a kangaroo can jump.
Pleasure to meet ya. Well, I can jump as high as your mobile here, but I can jump higher.
Whoa! Rooney's hopping pretty high and super fast.
Ah, you're pretty fast yourself. You up for a little race, Blippi?
Sounds fun.
All right, let's race around that big sandstone rock down there. We call it Uluru, or Ayers Rock. It's the heart of Australia.
Whoa! So cool!
And the first bag here wins.
You're on, Rooney.
By the way, there may be a fence or two in the way.
Good to know.
Come on, Blippi! Up to it! Careful! This fence is 6 feet tall! Good jump! Ready to go even higher?
Yeah!
How about a 10-footer?
Whoa!
Yeah! Woohoo!
To the best jumper we've ever seen! And now I have the answer to my question. How high can a kangaroo jump? Kangaroos can jump up to 10 feet off the ground. Upload answer, Debo.
That was fun, Blippi. Whew, gotta cool down. That's why I'm licking my arm. It's a kangaroo thing. Bye!
Bye-bye!
Let's see what's inside. The Great Big Book of Curiosity?
Whoa! What a curious kind of treasure.
Huh?
Yeah!
Whee!
Woohoo!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Meekah, Debo, and Tabs. I wonder, who were they?
We better go find out.
Hey, Blippi! Meekah! Over here! Can you help us?
We'd love to help.
The name's Boom. We're looking for something that we need, but we can't remember what it's called.
And I'm Benjamin. The thing we need is kind of shaped like this, but with a less bouncy stick. Whoa! Whoa!
Boom's away! And it's frozen, like this.
I'll get you out, Debo.
Looks like you gotta shake it up.
Oh, yeah. Shake it up. Whoa.
Purple. No. Yellow. No. Oh, hi, Blippi and Meekah. I'm Barry. Can you help me find something?
Sure. We would love to help.
It's usually red,
Red. Got it.
but it can also be purple, or orange, green, or every color.
Whoa! What's that? Hey!
Hello, I'm Blue. I need the yummy for my tummy.
You're looking for something that tastes good.
It's a yummy and makes me feel happy inside. Oh no, hugs?
What's that?
No, it's not that. Not that either. Was it Boomsicle?
Whoa!
Oh, yay! Blippi and Meekah, I'm Babble. Can you help me find this word? Let's sound it out. Something sickle?
Tricycle?
Bicycle?
Whimsical?
Good idea, Tabs. Let's review our notes. It's rectangular and has a stick. It's frozen. It could be any color. It makes you feel happy. And it sounds like something sickle.
This is tricky.
Popsicles!
You were looking for popsicles.
Yeah!
Hey! Who are you all?
Boom!
Benjamin.
Barry, Blue.
Babble! And we are the Curiosity Crew.
Wow! I got the answer to my question. Who were they? They are my new friends, the Curiosity Crew. Upload answer, Debo. Woohoo!
Right!
Fun in the sun? Here we come. Good idea, Tabs. I should put some sunscreen on first. Oh no, I can't find it. I wonder, why do I have to wear sunscreen? Oh no, is it really that important? What are we gonna do? No!
Senor Super Sunscreen to the rescue!
Whoa!
Hola, amigos! That means hello, friends.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs.
Here, Blippi, hold out your hands.
Okay.
Even though sunlight is good for you, we need to make sure you're protected. Perfecto, Blippi!
All right. Now we can finally have some fun in the sun.
Wait! Uh-oh.
Hey there, Boom.
Blippi! You can't go play yet. You missed the spot.
Huh? How can you tell?
Here, look through these special sunglasses I made.
Whoa! Cool!
That's the sunscreen working to protect you. The sun gives off extra strong beams of light called ultraviolet rays. Even though you can't see ultraviolet rays, too much can cause a sunburn.
What's this spot?
That's the spot you missed.
Hold out your hand, Blippi.
All right. Oh no! That person missed a spot too.
We must protect them with sunscreen.
To the Blippi Mobile.
Go, Blippi, go!
I'm gonna need helicopter blades and the harness.
Helicopter blades, harness, confirmed.
Shrinking down. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Wabba! Save that sunbather from sunburn.
All right, Tabs. Let's protect some skin.
Senor Super Sunscreen to the rescue!
More to the right, Tabs. Now left. We did it. Growing up.
Weppa! Nice job, Blippi.
Thanks for a super adventure, Senor Super Sunscreen. And I got the answer to my question. Why do I have to wear sunscreen? I have to wear sunscreen because it protects our skin from the ultraviolet light of the sun, which can cause sunburn. Upload answer, Tabs.
Now, who's up for some fun in the sun?
Yeah!
I don't think your guitar is working right, Debo. I wonder, how does a guitar work? You're right, Debo. Let's go find out. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Rock and rolla! That sounded great. I love it. Thank you.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
I'm picky.
We were wondering how a guitar works. Can you show us?
I can, but I can't work the guitar by myself.
I'll need your help to play it right.
Okay.
When I pick a string, it goes back and forth really fast, which makes a note.
Whoa! You're right, Debo. My string is much thicker than yours. I bet it's harder to balance for you.
The faster the string goes back and forth, the higher the note.
How do you make other notes on a guitar?
That's why I needed your help. Hey, Debo, could you move towards the far end of the neck, mate? Now back towards me. Solo!
Well, that explains how different notes are made. Why does the guitar have such a big body?
That's the part that makes it loud. Thank you. Hey, come stand over here on the soundboard.
We're going up and down, too!
When I pluck the string, the whole guitar body vibrates, and the sound hole there makes it super loud, like shouting while cupping your hands over your mouth.
Hello! Wow! That was loud!
Right! Practice is over. Time to jam! 1, 2, 3, 4!
Thank you! And now I have the answer to my question. How does a guitar work? Guitars work because the strings vibrate and make sound, which is made louder by causing the whole hollow guitar body to vibrate. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Picky.
Bye, Blippi. Bye, Devo. Remember to always keep rocking.
Whoa, that looks great, Blippi.
Yeah!
Now all that's left to do is make the horn sound like a brontosus. Brontosus? Brown?
Let's sound it out.
Brontosaurus. Brontosaurus.
Awesome! Stupendous! Perfection! Oh, wait. I don't think this book has a section on dinosaur sounds.
I wonder, where can we find more books about dinosaurs?
Oh, I know. Let's try the library.
Great idea, Babble.
What?
The Brontomobile is ready for adventure. All right.
Yeah, books! Shh. Sorry.
Whoa. Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs.
Hi, I'm Katie the Caterpillar, here for any of your library needs. And I'm Babble. Oh my, a whole section of balloon animals? I love books so much.
Hey, Katie, can you help us find the dinosaur books?
Of course I can help. Wait for me. I want to come too.
Whoa!
Oh no!
Whoa!
Oh, Blippi!
Whoa! 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 Yikes!
Welcome to the travel book section! Fish!
Oh no! Katie!
Thanks, Blippi! Look! We've reached the fiction section! Oh! Fiction means the stories are make-believe!
Look out! Whoa!
How to ride a bike? Where is how to ride a library card? And there's non-fiction! Non-fiction means the stories are real! Over there are books about magic! And wild animals! And fire trucks! Dinosaurs! To the left!
Whoa! A whole section on dinosaurs? Sorry. Hey, Tabs, can you help me carry these, please? Dinosaurs from A to Z, the biggest roar and more, my friend the Triceratops. Hey, Babble, do you think I have too many books about dinosaurs?
You could never have too many books.
Excellent choices.
Thanks for your help, Katie. And I got the answer to my question. Where can I find more books about dinosaurs? At the library. Yeah. Upload answer tabs.
Bye!
Bye-bye! Yeah! I hope Grandpa Blippi gets his birthday card in time. I wonder, how does a letter get to where it needs to go? Great idea, Debo. We'll shrink down and follow the letters to find out. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Woohoo! I wonder where all these letters and postcards are going. Whoa!
Hi there. I'm Lana the Letter.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. Lana, we're wondering, how do letters like you get to where you need to go? Whoa! What's happening?
We're moving one step closer to our destinations. Just stick with me.
Whee!
Ooh. Everybody, hold on. We're in for a bumpy ride.
Lana, where are we going?
We're being transported.
Whoa, to Grandpa Blippi's mailbox?
Not just yet. We're at
Oof.
the post office.
Whoa, the post office. So cool. Whoa. Oof.
Now it's time for us to get sorted.
Sorted? How?
First, by size. Just think like a letter, Blippi.
Huh, yeah. Whee!
Once us letters and packages are sorted by size, we are sorted to face the same way. Ooh!
Hey, that tickles.
And then the letters are scanned for their stamps.
Oh no, but what if I don't have a stamp?
I got you covered.
Yay! Wait, where's Debo?
He's probably enjoying the ride, just like us. Woohoo!
There you are, Debo. Where are we going now?
To the mail truck!
Hey,
The truck takes every letter to the exact mailbox it needs to be delivered to.
so cool.
Next stop, Grandpa Blippi's house.
Whee! Bye, Lana. Thanks for helping us get around the post office.
Bye, Blippi and Debo.
What do we got here? A birthday card from Blippi? Hot dog. Aw, he loves it. And I got the answer to my question. A letter gets to where it needs to go by being dropped in a mailbox, transported to the post office, sorted, then delivered by a mail truck. Upload answer, Debo. Woohoo!
You're right, Debo. The snow has blocked the Blippi Mobile. I wonder, how are we gonna get out of here? Whoa! Oh, look! Whoa, yeah!
I'm an excavator, a snowy excavator. excavator, a snowy excavator. Hey, snow! See you later, snowy excavator.
You're right, Debo. It would be fun to join you at the top. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo!
I've got a place where the workers sit, it's called a cab, where they control the bucket to scoop and drag. I'm a drift dissipator, a snowy excavator. Oh, can't you see that I drive all day?
Do you ever sleep?
No time for sleep, no time for play. I'm an excavator, a snowy excavator. Hey, snow! See you later, snowy excavator. Snowy excavator. I'm an excavator, snowy excavator. Hey, snow! See you later, snowy excavator. Snowy excavator, snowy excavator, snowy excavator.
Ah, Italy. What a cool country.
Someone's got the tummy rumbles.
I am feeling hungry. Great idea, Debo. Let's get an authentic Italian pizza.
Ciao! Did someone say pizza? I'm Paola Parmigiano.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Meekah and Debo.
Hi, Paula. We'd love a slice of pizza.
Oh, unfortunately, I have some bad news. I'm sold out!
Aww.
But I could help you make a fresh pizza of your own.
Yeah! I wonder, how do you make pizza?
Come on in.
All right. I'm gonna need the excavator arm and wings.
Excavator arm, wings, confirmed.
Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. All right, let's get this pizza started.
The first step is kneading the dough. Kneading means to press and fold the dough like this. Ooh, ooh. This strengthens its structure.
Woohoo!
Whee!
Whoa!
The next step is to stretch the dough until it's the proper pizza shape. Everyone, grab an edge.
1, 2, 3! Look out!
The next step is to cover our stretched out dough in the sauce.
All right.
Woo! The next step is to put on the cheese.
The sauce is hot lava.
Woo! Now it's my favorite part. Choosing toppings that you love to make the best pizza ever.
How about mushrooms?
Olives coming through.
Our smiling pizza makes me smile.
Me too.
It's time for the last step. Are you ready, Blippi?
Ready, Paula.
Time to bake the pizza. But you have to be very careful. The oven is hot.
Careful. Careful. Yeah!
Delicioso!
Thanks for answering my question, Paula. Pizza is made by kneading and stretching the dough, adding sauce, cheese, and toppings, and then baking it all in the oven. Upload answer, Debo.
Ciao for now.
Ciao, Paola. Grazie for the pizza.
Bye-bye.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, Tabs! That bouncy castle is out of this world! I wonder, what would it be like to bounce on the moon? Great idea, Tabs! We can go to the moon and find out! I'm gonna need a rocket booster, excavator arm, and frog legs!
Jets, excavator arm, frog legs, confirmed.
Okay, let's go explore! The Blippi Mobile is ready to blast off for adventure. And there's the moon! Yeah! Okay, time to land.
Hey, that tickles!
Who are you?
My name's Rocky the Moon Rock because, I'm a rock.
Hey, Rocky. It's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're here to find out what it's like to bounce on the moon.
I never tried it myself, being a rock, but let me see if I can just get up!
All right, then let's bounce.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. I'm light as a feather up here! I never knew I could have been having so much fun!
Woohoo! It's amazing that we're staying up here this long. Why does it take so long to float down?
Because of gravity! It's the invisible force that keeps your moon boots on the ground. It pulls things back down. But, there's way less gravity around the moon than on Earth because the moon is so much smaller.
That's why we float for so long. I have the answer to my question. What would it be like to bounce on the moon? It's so fun, and the bounces are really big because there's less gravity on the moon than there is on Earth. Upload answer, Tabs. We feel like we're floating, but gravity is slowly pulling us back down.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Thanks for the greatest time that I, Rocky the Moon Rock, ever had.
Bye, Rocky.
Keep on bouncing, Blippi.
Whoa! Wow, Tabs, exactly right. It is a penguin holding a cup of tea while rollerblading through a jungle. So many colors. Whoa! A rainbow! So many colors! I wonder, how does a rainbow get its colors? Great idea, Tabs. We can fly up and ask the rainbow and find out. But first, I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Let's go explore! Activate Blippi Station! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out how a rainbow gets its colors.
Guys and gals, attention please. The Big Blue Sky is proud to present nature's greatest influencer. I'm Bowie the Rainbow.
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. I'm a big fan, Bowie. I know all your colors.
Thank you. I'm very proud of my colors. Let me show them off one by one. I don't.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
Wonderful job, Blippi. You know, today's a big day. We're doing a double rainbow showstopper. Oh, you must be part of my performance.
Really? I'd be honored, but I don't know how you get all your colors. Could you show me?
Of course, Superfan Blippi. First, let's check out this puffy cloud called a cumulus cloud. Ooh, it looks like it just rained too, which is perfect. That means there are lots of water droplets in the air.
Wow! This cloud has so many teeny drops of water.
Hashtag true. Okay, next step. Position the cloud so the sunlight shines true to water droplets, like this. Now, when the light goes true to water, it bends, or refracts, and separates the light into all the colors of the rainbow. Voila!
That is awesome! I think I have the answer to my question. How does a rainbow get all its different colors? It's when the sunlight shines through water. It bends the light and separates the light into all the colors of the rainbow. Upload answer tabs.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. How you doing? All right, see you later, Blippi.